Hey guys, I'm Shawn of WebPianoTeacher.com. Today we're going to work on a song I absolutely love. It's by Billy Joel called You're My Home. Let's take a listen. When you look into my eyes and you see the crazy gypsy in my soul. Ooh, I love that song. It's one of those Billy Joel songs that not everybody knows, but it's a great song. There are a lot of those like that, and a lot of them have cool instrumental parts we're going to get into here. But I'm Shawn Cheek, WebPianoTeacher.com, and I teach a different way. If you've struggled with traditional piano music lessons, give me a chance. I've taught for 30 years, and I specialize in helping people who've struggled with traditional lessons who just need a different way to learn. So I use letters on the whiteboard. We'll take a look at it here. Put the left hand on the bottom, right hand on the top, and you just follow the bouncing ball along here as I show you each measure by measure. And we use curved lines to kind of denote rhythms and dashes and all that. And a lot of people just hop right in and have a great old time and play the way they've always dreamed of playing, because this way works for them. Thousands of lessons on the site. I've been uploading for 17 years and counting. So let's keep going. Here we go. We have the left hand on the bottom, as I said. We'll have F octave. I'm going to switch to a piano sound because I'm using a cool little sound I found here on the Kawai MP11 SE. And when I teach, though, I want to use the piano sound. I just love it, you know? In fact, when I use another sound, I'm always wanting to go back to the piano sound eventually. That's how you know you got a great keyboard, if you always want to go back to that piano sound. So this works equally well, maybe even better than the keyboard sound I was using to try to emulate the guitar picking sounds that's on the song, okay? But this is going to be, if you like Always a Woman, the way I taught that one, you're going to love this too. It's got a real flowing quality to it, and it just really fits the piano well. So I'm going to show you that. Left hand on the bottom, F octave. Right hand, I'm going to do a chord, okay? So I have C, F, A with 1, 3, 5. Now I go ahead and get my hand on the chord before I start. Okay, if you're ever trying to learn to play something, always look for a pattern. So if you can see a chord there, get your fingers on that chord and just get there, okay? You ever seen guitar players and they're picking chords? Well, that left hand is on the chord, okay? That's what you want to think of. Just get your fingers on the chord, and then you can play the pattern. Okay, so this is the pattern, F, C, A, F, F, C, A, F. And I let my wrist be real flexible. It's going to really be helpful in this. And let's go slower. Learn it really well at a slow tempo, and then you can go a little faster later. Left hand's F octave, then another F, and then one more F, okay? So I'm smooshing together all these guitar parts, and I made a piano part out of it. That's what came out. Okay? So F, 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 da, da. Okay, now the next measure is similar, but not exactly the same, okay? So you have that dissonance between F and E, and you like dissonance in music, it's a great thing to have. Then you have resolution over and over. But F and E, it's supposed to be that way. E, E, E. Right hand's going to go E, C, A, F, E, C. Okay? It makes me think of E.T. I don't know why. That movie E.T. So we're just continuing da, 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 da. So you see the pattern is different, but the idea is the same. Kind of have this motioning down with this pattern, and you're in one hand position. You have that dissonance. So now what you do, you learn the first measure, you learn the second one. Now let's tie it together, okay? So here we go. Now that may be a day's work for some of you, and that's okay. Have a small success. Do something small and have a success on it in the micro level, and then you put a bunch of those micros together day after day, and you get success in the macro. it's a building process, and you can't get ahead. Let the glue dry on the first two measures before you move on, okay? So when you're ready, we have the third measure, F, E flat. You see the pattern there? Da, 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 bum, da, da. Right hand, E flat, C, B flat, F, E flat, C. Okay? Now some of you going, I don't hear this in the piano on this. No, there's not a piano playing this that I can hear. It's mostly these guitar parts. Okay? But we transferred it to piano. And I love it on piano. That's the next pattern. E flat, C, B flat, F, E flat, C. So that's the same pattern as this one, but you're on a different chord. Make sure you clear the pedal, guys. Don't mix this with this. Oh, it mixes and it sounds awful. Here's the last one. So F, D, D, E, da, da, da. Right hand, D, C, B flat, F, D, C. Yeah, da, 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 da. Da, dum, da, 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 D, C, or D, E. Hear the melody here? There, D, D, E. Work slowly. Okay? And then you try both measures. Okay, now we go from the beginning. Let's try to make it slow. Here we go. And go. And then there's a bracket for the two. See that? So I'm just telling you to do it again. Smooth. And then we go faster. Let's try it 2 times faster. Oh, sorry. And go. When you look into my... that beautiful Billy Joel voice that he has. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you remember the website, you can download my sheets for this. Forgot to mention that. And any other lesson that I have on there, you can download sheets for it and print it out and write on it and do what you want to help yourself learn the song, play it. Guys, hope you enjoyed that lesson. You won't find it anywhere else. And I'll see you on the website, and we'll have fun finishing it. Talk to you later.